Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the factory fuel door. It's really easy. There's only 2 bolts, but there is a trick to it as well. So you're going to need a T15 Torx. So make sure that you get the right one. It looks like a screwdriver would fit in there, but if you use a cross point, it will strip it. So it has to be Torx. See the multiple points on the head here? And so all you're going to do is open up the fuel door. And also, if you have a different style one, I have an install for the bullet fuel door. Check the video description for that. But you're just going to remove both of these screws that are on the inside here. So what I like to do is break them both loose and then support the door with one hand while you remove it with the other. You don't want it to fall down and chip the paint. So we'll go ahead and remove both of these. And so while I'm taking that top one out at the end, I'm supporting the fuel door with the other hand. And so this is the trick. It's hard to get this out unless you decide to just take off the gas cap. So remove the gas cap, swing it out of the way, and it will come right out. So the bullet fuel door should be just a little bit different than this, and maybe some aftermarket ones would be similar. So check the video description for the full install on that. There's just a few different mounting points and how it all goes on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.